Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a doorknob. Replacing a doorknob is a straightforward home improvement task that can refresh your space in about 15 to 30 minutes. First, gather your essential tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your brand new doorknob set. It is also wise to check the backset measurement of your old knob to ensure your new one fits perfectly. Sometimes, a flathead screwdriver or a small chisel might be helpful for minor adjustments. Now let's remove the old doorknob. Begin by locating the two screws, typically on the interior side of the knob, and unscrew them using your Phillips head screwdriver. Once loosened, the two halves of the doorknob should easily separate and come off. Next, remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door. This usually involves unscrewing two small screws and then sliding the latch out. Keep all removed parts organized, especially if you need to reference them. With the old hardware removed, it's time for the new installation. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge. Make sure the beveled or angled side of the latch faces the door frame for proper closing. Secure it firmly with the two screws provided in your new doorknob kit. Next, take the exterior doorknob and carefully slide its spindle through the latch mechanism, ensuring it aligns correctly with the door's opening. Finally, let's complete the installation. Align the interior doorknob with the exterior half, ensuring the screw holes match up. Insert and tighten the two long screws to secure both knobs firmly to the door. Then, install the new strike plate on the door frame, making sure it aligns perfectly with the latch bolt. Once everything is tightened, test your new doorknob by opening, closing, and locking the door multiple times to ensure smooth and secure operation. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.